Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome. Today in additional of today's newspaper on Friday, December the 30th, 2022. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with a 1 star. In Dutch they call it cijferblad. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. Otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Well, the first one I will start is a 3 stars Sudoku, number 5711. 5711. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. 25 printed digits, it's an indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 1, 2. We have here 3 threes. We have here 1, 4, 2 fours. Correction. 4 fives. All right. 3 sixes. 3 sevens. 3 eights also, and 3 nines. So the 5s are in majority. Can I start with a 5? Well, no. Need to wait. How about a 4 in this column? 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4. I should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so the last column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 could be here, here, or there. We see here 6 in the last row, so no 6 there. Here 6 in that row, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright, now I cannot continue with the 6. How about let me see 9. Well 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in the second row, so no 2 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. And look, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. And look, we have a 1 and 3 in this column. So no 1 and 3 in this box. The 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. Alright. Okay. Alright. 9. Okay. Let me see. 1. Yeah. I'm thinking. 4. 3. Well, here we have a 6. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and 8. We have a 6 and 8 in the first row, so no 6 and 8 in these 3 boxes. The 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 3, 7, 9. 3, 7, 9. Let me mark those. 3, 7, 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. So what are the other 2 numbers in the first row? 3, 7, 9. So the missing numbers here are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in the second column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. The 4 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 in these 2 boxes. Here, 4 in this second column. No 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there in this big square. Okay, 4, 4. Yeah. And now 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 6, 8, and 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 7. 7. Well. 2, 5, 7. Next step. 3, 7, 9. 3, 7, 9. 3 and then 9. 2. 2, 2. Well. Come on. Where is the 6, 7? We have a 7 here. 3, 7, 3, 8. I'm thinking hard. 7. Here should be the 7. 4 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing number in the first column is the number 7. Well, here can be a 7 because we have a 7 in the middle row. No 7 there. Here 7 in this row, so no 7 there. So the 7 in the first column could be here, could be there, here or there. Well, we see another 7 in the third row, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in the second row. Here we have 1 and a 3. So the other 2 numbers should be the 6 and 8. 6 and the 8 are missing. We have a 6 in the third column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. Here we have 3, 7, 9. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Then 2, 2, 7, 2, 7, 5. Okay. I'm thinking. 3. Come on. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, 7, 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here 3 in this row, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now in the last column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1, 1. 3, 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we see here 3 in the middle column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left here, the 7 and the 9. 7 and the 9. Okay. Then. 2 missing numbers. In this column, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes at there. 9, 9. Alright. 1, 1. 8, 6, 3, 8, 6, 2, 2, 2. Still thinking. 7. Well. Needed 2. 8, yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in this column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Yes. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. You see here 4 in the first column, no 4 there. Here 4 in the second column, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, yes. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 4. Wait. 1. We have a 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this last row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 7, 2, 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 2, 5, 7. 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7. And look, we have a 5 in this column. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. So the 2 and the 7 are left. Let me mark those. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. 2 and a 7. Alright. How about 1 and a 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and a 9. 5, 7, 9, 7, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9. 5, 7. Yeah, I'm thinking. 2, 7. 5, 7, 9. Well. Difficult. 8, 8. 3, 7. 2, 7 and the 5. 2, 7. No. What a 6. 6. No. 9. 1298. Well, what's happening? It's taking too long. 157. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 157. 157. And look, we have a 1 and a 5 in the last row. So no 1 and a 5 in this box. The 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and 5. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. 2 and a 7, we have a 7 now in the last row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in the last row, 2 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we see a 2 in the third column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers: the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and then 9 goes there. Can I count? Yes, and no. 7 and a 9. We have a 7 now in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and then 9 goes there. Now I can count, and all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Right, how about the 9 then? 9 and 8, we have a 9 now in the middle row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers: the 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we see a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now in the middle column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then the 2 in this column, the 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers: the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finished in 18 minutes. Well, 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, the 4 Stars Sudoku, in this additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.